Hello YouTubers. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this keyboard which is the Lekvey model. Let me show you the model number. It is Lekvey model KM01. This is a combo of keyboard and mouse, and this is the mouse that comes with it. And in the mouse you have to insert the batteries, so it gets two AAA size batteries, and it also comes with a mouse pad that you can use underneath the mouse. So it's a pretty good package, and the keyboard is very sleek design. It's very beautiful. It has a silver background and black keys. It also comes with a black background and black keys, but for the contrast this looks much better. And it's very thin and lightweight, and also the keys are very very soft, very premium quality. So if you guys are looking for a wireless keyboard, then I would definitely recommend this. And it's about $80 from Amazon, so you can buy it from from Amazon. And it's a very good quality compared to the previous one I had, which is the Logitech. Logitech feels okay, but it's feels lower quality than that, the Lekvey one that I have. So I do recommend buying this keyboard from Lekvey. And if you guys wanna buy from Amazon, I will post the link in the description. You can directly download from there. So $80 Canadian. So I'll post the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.